6th of September 2022, and this is Pilot Ed getting ready to take off with a Cessna 182. He's got a 4-cell battery in there. Way down south in Largo, Florida, at the Largo Flying Field. I'm getting ready for a takeoff. Taking off from the west. All right. Up and away. What a beautiful plane. Oh yeah, and the turn there, you're really getting a nice look at it. September 6th. My sister's birthday today. Happy birthday, Myra. All right. Cessna 182 with a 4-cell battery in it. Oh yeah. Slow pass, slow and low.
Touch and go.
Okay, we're going to get a touch and go from the west. Pilot Ed getting a nice flight this morning. No wind. About 80 degrees. Can't ask for more than that as far as flying conditions.
One more pass.
Because they were selling it cheaper than I could ship it for. So I put the remaining
Coming around the land.
I sell a part.
Full stop.
I had like $2 or $3 on it. Forget about it, how much it cost. Just forget about it. I just wanted to get rid of it. And then somebody complained about this or complained about that. You know, they wanted to get their money back and they wanted to keep the parts. So finally I just said, you know, enough is enough. I took it all.
Oh, nice landing. Yes, indeed. Cessna 182. Very scale model. Three-bladed prop. 4-cell battery. Okay, thank you, Ed.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Pilot Ed there. All right, gonna leave it there.